Well, we're burning the midnight oil tonight. Snow's coming and we're getting a footer poured tomorrow. And we can't let there get a bunch of snow on the ground or we'll have to thaw it all out. So we're putting some tarp over all the footer blocks, all the footers, the forms. And hopefully we can get it done before we get any accumulation here. We have to backfill in our forms tonight. We have concrete coming at 1:30 tomorrow. Dad, I wouldn't worry about this ground. This stuff's gonna compact like a mother. This is good ground to get out for compacting.
Okay, we need to clean all the concrete off the forms if we're done with this bay here. Keep them nice and clean.
Clean it all up.
Let me get that edge before you knock on the ground. Hold on.
You're gonna have to clean up that here, Heather.
What?
You'll have to clean up that here a little bit.
It's gonna be the nicest footer I've ever seen. And we did it all the way.
Dusting the snow on the ground. 30 degrees out. That's how we pour concrete. There we go. The footer's set. Snow let up and we got a real nice day.
Going way too fast.
Now we just got to tent it and blow a little bit of heat down there and that should set up just fine. Okay, we should be getting our block today. But here is the footer that we set. And I need to check on how it's been curing. Looks like the tarp blew off of it a little bit. Well, it's a rock. Well, now we got to pull the forms off. Yeah, 11 degrees this morning, but we had great weather for curing the foundation. Some of the daytime temperatures were as high as 39 degrees, which is kind of rare for this time of year. Here comes our load of Fox blocks. Finishing off the Fox blocks here.
Okay, I need one, Jake.
Almost full.
46 and a half.
Almost looks like your joint's gonna fall into place there.
Well, it should.
Put it in a cold joint. Pegs don't match up through
And
that.
I'm going to need a 2x4 up here with my drill.
Okay. Do you want a 6 or 8 footer? Same distance?
8-footer. I'm kind of overkilling, but I'd like to just make sure it's plenty strong.
Pop that last piece into place there. Good day today, got a lot of work done. Finished up the Fox blocks and got all the reborer in it. Got some scaffolding up. Just about ready to pour. So we should be getting these walls up pretty quick. Stuff works pretty good. We got our rough end under our footer for our plumbing. And it was pretty hard digging through the frozen ground. Took a whole day and a half to get all the rough in. As you can see in there, it goes over there and over there to where we meet up with our walls and our toilets and everything. So hopefully we got it right. Down in the corner there I have a slide. It's working really good for a chute for material to fill up the inside there. So we just got to bring that up to level and put some mesh in the bottom.
Pour is tomorrow at 11 for the blocks. up the other part there so we don't have to pour a whole bunch of cement and put a bunch of money into it. Thus the slide invention to bring a bunch of dirt down. Got some sand here to fine-tune it at the end. Kids are having fun playing in there.
Looks like the snow's coming in. So we gotta have everything prepped today. Getting concrete tomorrow for the walls. It's gonna be a little bit more expensive than we projected because we gotta get 3 trucks instead of 2. Just a little bit over. It's Monday today, or Tuesday. It's Tuesday today. We'll pour tomorrow, Wednesday, and hopefully on Friday we can pour the slab. And then we're ready for framing. So
no, we're good. Lose a little bit, but that's all right. Okay, let's take some slack up.
Hey, pull it that way, 2 feet. Guys, it's gonna be a little sloppy. Jesse, it's gonna be sloppy, and so it's very easy to move the wood once you switch it in. The cool part about it is, when this hole, there's no way. I'm talking about that.
There you go. I come back a few more feet.
I don't think you want to land. Could use 2 rakes on here. Toes up, toes up.
How full do you want that? Okay,
Oh, watch out, Justin.
Okay, Jake, let's pull.
Hold on, I got it.
Whoa, you can't
Let me
lift
get
up.
on the other side here.
Okay, but you can't lift up when I tell you because I'm pulling still. Pull.
I need some help in here.
You wanted camera rolling.
All right, come and give me some help.
hey guys, thanks for watching today. If you liked the video, please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also, you can like our Facebook page, Fisherman JKK. In the upper right hand is the next video in our series, and in the upper left hand is where it all began. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day.